Hello everyone! In this video, we will see how to add non-Spotify songs to Spotify. So, let's get started. First of all, let's navigate to the Spotify app on your mobile phone and tap to open it. If you want to add a non-Spotify song to Spotify, then first, we need to download it from Google. Open any browser that you use to make a search. As you can see, I have already opened a music library. Select a music track that you want to add to Spotify. It will take some time to complete downloading. It depends on your internet connection speed and file size. Once the downloading is complete, now let's go back to Spotify. To add non-Spotify music, let's navigate to the profile icon from the top left side. A new menu opens from the left side. Open Settings and Privacy. From this menu, scroll down to find the Local Files option and tap to open it. Enable this setting to add new music to Spotify. Once enabled, let's go back to the home page and refresh the page. From the bottom menu, open the library and tap on this Local Files option. These are your mobile phone's audio files that you can add to Spotify. And that's it. This is how you can add non-Spotify music to Spotify. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.